Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can link up your PayPal account so that you can use it to top up your Visa card on crypto.com. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then let's get started. First thing first, you have to log in into your crypto.com, and once you're logged in, on the home page you have to tap on the card icon located in the bottom right corner. Next interface, in order to add PayPal account, you have to tap on top up in the top left corner of your screen. You can see right on top there are 3 different options, so from there you have to tap on credit card. Next interface, you have to tap on connect with PayPal. So right over here, what you have to do is you have to select the secondary payment method, and once you're done selecting it, make sure to go through all of the following information and then tap on agree and continue. And once you're on this page, you have to select on PayPal, and after that you have to enter the amount, and after that you also have to enter the amount as that will be funding our Visa card. And once you're done entering the amount, tap on top up, which is right at the bottom, and after that there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it, and you also have to tap on terms and conditions. And if you want to go on with this process, tap on continue. So that is how you can link up your PayPal account so that you could use it to top up your Visa card on crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.